So how to install Python? First one, you have to download it. So I say here Python download. Now you go to the website, official website, and here you can download this file. Once the setup has been completed, you go to your command prompt and check whether it is successfully installed or not. Say I enter it is Python. So you can see on the screen now the Python has been successfully installed. Once this has been done, you can proceed further. So here is I have installed, I have entered pip install Jupyter. So this is the first file we are downloading. Now with this is the first process that need to be followed. So the process is going on. First one we are done is pip install Jupyter. Now we need to do the remaining part. We have to install NumPy and then we have to install matplotlib. So we have to wait till this process has been completed. So now the first part is completed. Now the next part is we will install the pip install numpy numpy. So make it enter, and again the process will start. So it will take some time. Okay, the second part is also completed. Now the last part, which is related to so pip install matplotlib. Okay, so this will also take some time. Once the process has been done, you can again okay, so it has successfully installed. Now once this is completed, you can go to this again and click ipython. Okay, so once you click ipython, now you can start the things. Say for example, now I say 2 multiplied by 8, so it gives you 16. Or if I say 2, this is plus, say 6, it will give you 8. Now I can define x is equal to say 2 plus 3, so it will give you x, so it is x is 5. Now x we have defined. So similarly, if I go with y, another equation, say what y is equal to 2 plus 3x. So now it has certain value of y. Now okay, so 3x. Okay, so y is equal to again 2 plus 3, and this is x. Now see, it is shown y. Now it will show the value of y. So click y and enter, it will give you 17. So likewise, you can define x, you can define you can get some values of y. Say I have z is equal to 2 plus 3x plus 5y. So now it will take the value of z corresponding to value of y as well as corresponding to value of, now I will enter z, so that gives me 102. So this is how the things can be done. If somebody wants, you can write print this text, so it will just ignore the things. So you can see it has ignore. Or even if I say, let us say y is equal to 2 to the power 0.5, so what it will take, it will give you the value of y that is equal to 1. So if I say y again, it was 1. So similarly you can